Jai Srimanarayana, 7th sloka of 11th chapter of Srimad Bhagavad Gita. Please repeat. Ihaikastham Jagatkritsnam Pasyadya Sacharacharam Mama Dehe Gudakesa Yachanyat Drashtumichhasi Om. Realize and remember that whenever you see Sri Krishna Paramatma, you should also remember that entire universe, all these sentient and insentient things are there in Sri Krishna Paramatma in a very, very tiny part of his divine universal form. So if you see Krishna Paramatma, if you please Sri Krishna Paramatma, you are an equivalent that you are pleasing entire universe. Krishna Paramatma is internally and externally pervaded everywhere and supporting all the entities. That is why he is called as Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita, Krishna Paramatma strongly asking you to surrender to him alone. Krishna Paramatma says, "Come to me, surrender to me alone, do not cry. Mamekam saranam vraja ma suchaha." Now you must respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma within your bhavana following these lines. O Krishna, O Sriman Narayana, I shall always remember and realize that whenever I have seen you, whenever I see you, I shall remember that entire of universe is there within you. If I please you, if I satisfy you, I am an equivalent that I am pleasing this entire universe. O Krishna, I realize that because you are pervaded internally and externally and supporting this entire universe, you are called as Narayana. O Sriman Narayana, I shall surrender to you alone, I shall not cry. Sriman Narayana, Karishye Vachanam Tava, I shall obey your orders. Please help me act according to your heart. Sarvam Sri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana. Now let us learn Srimad Bhagavatam. Namaskaram to Srimad Bhagavatam. Nigamakalpataror galitam phalam sukamukhadamrutadrava sanyutam pibata bhagavatam rasamalayam muhuraho rasika bhuvi bhavukaha. Namaskaram to Sri Sukha Yogindra. Yam pravrajantamanupeta krityam dvaipayano virahakatara ajuhava putreti tanmayataya taravobhineduhu tam sarvabhuta hridayam munimanatosmi. Namaskaram to Naranarayana, Chaturmukha Brahma, Saraswati Devi, Vyasa Maharshi. Narayanam namaskritya naram chaiva narottamam devim saraswatim vyasam tato jayam vudirayet. Srimad Bhagavatamo Dasamaskandham 10th Skandham 159th day. Suta Maharshi giving his discourse to Saunaka and other Maharshis, saying that, O Maharshis, Sri Sukha Yogindra teaching Srimad Bhagavatam to Parikshin Narendra, saying that, O Parikshin Narendra, those Siddha Purushas who came out of those two trees which were unrooted by Sri Krishna Paramatma, they are praying Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. Krishna Krishna Mahayogi. O Krishna, you are the supreme. Yasya avataraha jnayante sharireshu asharirinaha. In order to protect this entire universe, Bhuvanamulu Cheyagavagan Avatirnudavaiti Kade Akhileswara Yogi Varenya Vishwamangala Kavisannuta Vasudeva Kalyana Nidhi. You are the one, in order to take care of this entire universe, comes down in different forms like Matsya, Kurma, Varaha. And all the activities you have done through your avatars are unlimited, unparalleled, extraordinary. O Krishna, Namah Parama Kalyana, Namah Parama Mangala, Vasudevaya Santaya Yadunam Pataye Namaha. Hey Bhagavan, O Krishna, you are the one who gives all kind of auspiciousness to all entities, all living beings, to the entire universe. O Paramakalyana, O Paramamangala, we are doing namaskaram to you. O Yadupati, O Vasudeva, O the supreme abode of peace, O Paramasantuda, we are touching your divine feet and doing namaskaram to you. Like that, those Siddha Purushas praying Sri Krishna Paramatma. What happens next, we will learn tomorrow. Om Sri Krishna Parabrahmane Namaha. Om Asmadgurubhyo Namaha. Mukundamala. Krishna Rakshatu no Jagatraya Guruhu Krishnam Namasyamyaham. Krishne Namarashatravo Vinihataha. Krishnaya Tasmai Namaha. Krishnadeva Samuthitam Jagadidam. Krishnasya Dasosmyaham. Krishne Tishtati Visvametadakhilam. He Krishna Samrakshamam. Srimad Bhagavad Gita, 11th chapter, 7th sloka. Ihaikastam Jagat Krishnam Pasyadya Sacharacharam Mama Dehe Gudakesha Yacchanyad-drashtumichhasi. Ihaikastam Jagat Krishnam Pasyadya Sacharacharam Mama Dehe Gudakesha Yacchanyad-drashtumichhasi. Srimannarayana Karishye Vachanam Tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Srimannarayana.